Buenos dias, good afternoon, titos and titas of Manila, Philippines, bros and babes. I'm Alex ONG of Autoline Motorsports. This is our latest project, 2023 Subaru WRX. We modified this vehicle with a big brake kit, endless big brake kit, 6-pot and 4-pot from Japan. These are the premium big brake brands right now in Japan. We installed it here, replaced the stock OEM brakes. We're gonna install an Invidia R400 quad titanium tip exhaust. It should give enough power for the new WRX. We're also going to install new Advan TC 4 GT wheels. These are 18-inch by 9.5 wheels of Yokohama Advan tires. Again, we are Autoline Motorsports from Zobel Rojas Street, corner TILA Street, Manila, Philippines. You can contact us at Facebook Autoline Motorsports or Instagram Autoline Motorsports. Again, this is Alex ONG of Autoline Motorsports. Peace.